So since introducing Simply Free, which is our free version, our free tools to be able to use as a small business, we've been blown up. We've been getting all kinds of signups. And one of the things that we are seeing is there's a lot of people signing up. They're saying they don't have a profile and they don't have a Google business profile to get started and to be able to connect. And they're saying no. So we don't provide getting your Google business profile set up on any of our free plans. If you are on a paid plan or above, that is included, and we're more than happy to do it for you and help you walk through the steps. Now, does that mean we're going to leave you high and dry? No. Today's video is going to be how do I create a Google business profile. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. Let's get started. And actually, I don't want to be on this window. I am going to start something incognito, so that way it's 100% fresh. What I would do is I'd go to google.com as our step number one. Once you go to Google, type in Google Business Profile. And what I would do first is I would Google your phone number. When you Google your phone number, no, it didn't work. We're a national company, so it makes it a little bit different for us. So when you Google your own phone number, since you're a local company, you're not doing nationwide, you should pull up just like this right here inside of the profile. If you have a Google business profile, if you have one of these, then you need to know if you manage that account. If you manage that account, what will happen is it will look like this. Means that you're not logged into Google, which you'd have to sign in and know what email address you use to be able to set that up. Or if you work with a marketing agency that set it up for you, it's going through that needle in a haystack trying to figure out which account it is, who has access, and how to make you a manager. I'm going to link to a video up there, over here somewhere, about how to be able to set up an account as a manager if you need manager access. I've got a complete video on that. So if you already have access and you're logged in, it would look like this. Oh, Jiminy. Sometimes all these windows drives me crazy. So it'll look like this. This is you inside of your actual Google business profile. This is your Google business profile. And if you are connected to it, go into the platform at login.simplybefound.com and you can connect your profile. It'll automatically should pull this account up if everything goes right, and you should be able to connect it. But if you don't, let's go back to that scenario. You don't have access. There's nothing here. It doesn't pull up. It looks like nothing came up. So let's go ahead and let's create one. So now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say Google Business Profile. And I am going to click Sign In. Now I'm going to assume that you are signed in somewhere. I'm going to assume that you have an account already for your business. If you don't, you're going to click Create it. You're going to sign. So if you have a Google account, you're going to sign in. If you don't and you want to have one for your business account, you can put in your name, test name, next, your date of birth. I'll use mine because I'm old and doing something different would just drive me absolutely crazy. So if I come in here and then it says use your existing email, this allows you to be able to use your email address from your business. So I'm going to put in here test@test.com, and it's going to send the verification. It's going to walk through the steps. So if I'm going to assume you already have an account that's already there, so I'm going to come in here. And I'm going to say manage now. It's going to throw you in here, which that's one of my old organizations. So it's going to throw you into this screen, or it's going to throw you into the screen to be able to add a new business. So you're going to go to businesses if it throws you into the screen and you're not found on this list. If you need to add a business, your screens are going to look like this. So once you enter all that information, Your screens are going to look like this. You just do your business name. Enter business name here. It'll find it possibly on this list. I'm going to enter one of my older companies. So I can literally come in and I can grab it and then start doing that information. This one's going to tell you I already manage it. So I'm going to say ABC Sprinkler. And I'm going to say it is Sprinkler. I'm going to go Lawn Care Service. And I'm going to say next. So it knows I'm doing something that is not right. Lawn Care Service. It's going to say, next step will be, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? This means you have an in-person location. If you're home services and you operate at your house and you don't have people coming into your house, you're going to say no. If you have people coming to your location to shop at your location, you're going to say yes. You're going to enter in your service area. So like Manhattan, New York. Tell it where it's based, enter your phone number, your website address, and just answer the questions. Once you get through this, then you go back to login.simplybefound.com, and that will help you be able to connect that account then, and then you can optimize your profile from there. Now, there's a few verification methods. Some people say the postcard's coming back. I haven't seen a postcard in probably 6 months. You can verify your business by possibly getting a text message, by possibly getting a phone call. Sometimes we require a video verify. There's a few different pieces there. If you get stuck in this process and you're on the free version, let me know and I'll help try to get you unstuck. Sorry, today I'm just kind of being really random with my videos, so if this is all over the place, I wasn't sure what screen. Google gets really weird like that. I'll try to cut a video where I have these screens already just screenshotted and say, all right, here's your next step, step 1, step 2, step 3. I'll try to do a video like that in the future. But right now, I just want to say, hey, with the free plan, we don't include all of this. Any of the paid accounts, we do include it. So you can always upgrade for a month and then downgrade right away too. And we can give you depends on which program you did come on with, you might be able to expand yourself out, get a lot of content, get a lot of optimization day one, and then know where to be able to take from and kind of start your game plan. And we have plans starting at $80 a month as the time I'm recording this video. So check us out, simplybefound.com. We have the free version. We'd love to get you started. This video was simply just if you do not have a Google business profile and how to get one so you can start using the platform for Simply Free, which is our brand new free version of Simply Be Found. And I look forward to helping as many small businesses as I possibly can. So thanks for watching. If you like a video like this, like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thanks.